In genetics problems, dominant alleles are assigned capital letters and recessive alleles are assigned lowercase letters. If both copies of the allele are the same, that individual is said to be homozygous. If they are different, the individual is heterozygous. A cross in which only one trait is being studied is said to be monohybrid. The parent or P generation refers to the individuals being crossed, the offspring are the filial or F generation. Multiple generations can be denoted F generations by using numeric subscripts. If you think of your grandparents as the parent generation, then your parents are in the F01 generation, and you are in the F2 generation. Mendel worked with pea plants that had either purple or white flowers. Before crossing the different plants, each group contained homozygotes. Crossing a homozygous purple flower with a white flower resulted in an F1 generation that contained 100% heterozygotes as shown above. If two members of the F1 generation were crossed, the resulting offspring in the F2 generation would be more genotypically and phenotypically diverse than their parents. Crossing two plants with the genotype capital P and small p would result in 25% capital P, 50% capital P, and 25% small p. Phenotypically, this would be a 3:1 distribution because both the homozygous dominant and heterozygous dominant offspring would be purple flowering plants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.